You're 28. Maybe you're 35. Maybe you're even 45. And right now, your bank account says zero. Your friends are buying houses. They're posting photos from new cars. They're talking about their portfolio at dinner parties. And you? You feel stuck. You feel like you missed the train. But here's the truth that no one tells you. It's not too late. Not even close. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact path to go from zero savings to real financial freedom. No fluff, no hype, just steps that work. Here's what we're going to cover. There are 4 stages everyone goes through on the way to financial freedom: survival, stability, growth, and freedom. Most people get stuck in stage 1 for years. Some never leave it. Today, I'll show you how to move through all 4 stages, step by step. This isn't motivation. This is a system. And systems work even when motivation doesn't. If you're new here, welcome to Jack Invests. We make money simple. Before we start, drop a comment below. Tell me your age and how much you have saved right now. Don't be shy. Thousands of people are in the exact same boat. You'll feel better just by typing it out. Now, let's get into it. Let me tell you about 2 people. We'll call them Alex and Sam. Alex is 28. Alex has zero savings. But today, Alex decides to start. Sam is also 28. Sam decides to wait. I'll start when I make more money, Sam says. 10 years go by. Alex, who started small at 28, now has a real nest egg. Not because Alex got lucky, not because Alex made huge money, but because Alex started early and stayed consistent. Sam is 38 now, still saying I'll start soon, still at zero. The gap between Alex and Sam isn't about income. It's about one decision, the decision to start. Here's the part that will shock you. Time is the most powerful tool in money. Even small amounts, given enough time, can grow into something huge. So if you're feeling behind, here's the good news. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. Let's build your plan. Before you can fix your money, you need to see it clearly. Most people have no idea where their money goes. It just disappears. Here's what to do this week. Open your banking app. Look at the last 30 days. Write down everything you spent money on. Then find 3 numbers. 1, your total income each month. 2, your total expenses each month. 3, any debt you owe and the interest rate on it. That's it. 3 numbers. Write them down on paper or in your phone. This step feels boring, I know. But here's the thing. Most people skip this step. And that's exactly why they fail. You can't fix what you can't see. Once you see your numbers, everything else gets easier. Now that you know your numbers, it's time to build your safety net. This is your emergency fund. Money set aside for life's surprises. Your car breaks down. You lose your job. You get sick. Without an emergency fund, any of these can wreck your finances. You'd have to use a credit card. Then you're in debt. Then you're stuck. Here's your goal. Save enough to cover 1 month of basic expenses. Just 1 month. To start. Not 5 months. Not a year. Just 1 month. How do you save it fast? Pick one thing to cut this month. Maybe it's eating out. Maybe it's a subscription you forgot about. Move that money into a separate savings account. Don't touch it. Keep adding to it until you hit 1 month of expenses. Without this step, 1 bad month can wreck everything you build later. This is your foundation. Don't skip it. You've got your numbers. You've got a small safety net. Now it's time to get stable. Debt is like a hole in your boat. You can keep adding water, but if the hole is big enough, you'll never get anywhere. Here's the simple method. List all your debts. Credit cards, loans, anything you owe. Now pick one of 2 ways to attack them. Method 1, pay off the smallest debt first. This gives you quick wins. Quick wins keep you motivated. Method 2, pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first. This saves you the most money over time. Either way works. Pick the one that keeps you going. For most people, starting with the smallest debt feels better. Progress feels good. While you do this, keep paying the minimum on your other debts. Just throw extra money at the one you're focused on. This is where 90% of people get stuck. They feel overwhelmed by debt, so they ignore it. The bills pile up, the stress grows. But debt isn't a mystery, it's just math, and math can be solved, one step at a time. Let's pause for a second. What I'm sharing with you isn't some trick. It's not a get-rich-quick secret. This is what financially free people actually do. Every single one of them. They know their numbers, they have a safety net, they get rid of debt. It's not exciting, it's not flashy, but it works. Every time. Now, let's move into the part where your money starts working for you. This is where things start to feel exciting. This is where your money starts to grow on its own. Here's a myth that keeps people stuck. I need a lot of money to start investing. That's false. Completely false. You can start investing with just a few dollars. Many apps let you start with $5 or $10. The amount doesn't matter right now. What matters is starting the habit. Think of it like planting a tree. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Even a small amount, invested every month, adds up over time. Remember Alex from earlier? Alex didn't start with thousands. Alex started small. But Alex started. If you skip this step, nothing else in this plan matters. This is the step that turns saving into wealth. So this week, open an investment account if you don't have one. Put in whatever small amount you can. Even $10. Just start. Now here's how you make sure this actually keeps happening. Set up automatic transfers. Every payday, have a small amount move automatically into your savings. Then, have another amount move automatically into your investment account. Why does this matter so much? Because willpower runs out. Some weeks you'll be tired. Some weeks you'll be tempted to spend. But if the money moves automatically, you don't have to think about it. You don't have to decide. It just happens. This is how you remove yourself from the equation. You're not relying on motivation anymore. You're relying on a system. Set it up once. Then let it run in the background of your life. This is where it all leads. Let's talk about what's possible. Let me tell you about someone real. We'll call her Maria. At 32, Maria had no savings. She felt embarrassed. She thought she was too far behind to ever catch up. But she followed steps just like these. She found her numbers. She built a small safety net. She paid off her debt. Slowly, she started investing small amounts. She automated everything. 5 years later, at 37, Maria had savings. She had no debt. Her investments were growing on their own. She didn't get a huge raise. She didn't win the lottery. She just followed the steps, one at a time, and stayed consistent. Now picture two paths for yourself. Path 1, you do nothing. 5 years from now, you're in the same spot. Maybe worse because of inflation and missed time. Path 2, you start today. 5 years from now, you have a safety net. You have less debt or no debt. You have investments growing even while you sleep. The choice is yours. And the choice starts today. Let's recap the 4 stages. Stage 1, survival, know your numbers, and build a small safety net. Stage 2, stability, kill your debt one step at a time. Stage 3, growth, start investing small and automate everything. Stage 4, freedom, let time and consistency do the rest. That's it. That's the whole path. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start. If this video helped you, hit subscribe. We post videos like this every week, helping you build real wealth, one simple step at a time. And before you go, scroll back up and drop a comment. Tell me which stage you're in right now. Survival? Stability? Growth? Whatever stage you're in, you're not stuck. You're just at the beginning. And the beginning is the best place to start. I'll see you in the next video.